Question: what keyboard instrument is a mainstay in rock, rhythm and blues, and disco backup groups, but hardly ever plays the melody? You got it, the clavinet. The clavinet has 4 internal tone control switches to vary the timbre. The normally ringing tone of the clavinet can be muted to imitate the plucked tone of an electric guitar, played with right-hand muting. But usually, the instrument just plays hard, driving boogie. The clavinet has 1 string for each pitch. This picture also shows the magnetic pickup bar, which sends the sound to the amplifier. Each string is wound around a tuning pin. Screw adjusters are used for tuning the instrument. If we move closer, we can see the pitch names below each tuning screw. The top row of letters is the German system of note names. Notice any differences? Mounted under each key, above the string, is a small rubber striker in a metal holder. When a key is depressed, this hits the string. If you've been listening, you can tell that clavinets are great for driving rhythmic bass lines and for funky accompaniment lines like this. On this example, the clavinet has a wavering sound because the signal is run through a flanger.
Alright guys, that is really good. Y'all come on, let's get this.
Hey, that's too funky. I don't think I can take that today.
That's okay.